What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. It's great to see all of you. Have you been asking yourself, is there a vacuum offering out there that's quiet, it's convenient, it's versatile, and it's HEPA certified? Well, of course you've been asking yourself that question. That's why you clicked on this video. The Milwaukee Corporation has something for you over here. Let's get it unboxed. Strange. The Milwaukee Tool Corporation was nice enough to send over one of their backpack vacuums. Now, it doesn't have to be used just as a backpack vacuum. We're going to be going over that. But this is their M18. This is cordless. It has cyclonic action. They sent it to us as a kit. This is important. This backpack vac, this product number, this would be tool only, 0885-20. This would be the tool only. If you bought the kit version, it would be included in the box. You wouldn't get this separately, I'll assume, but this is how we got ours. Let's go over the box before we get it open, because I'm really excited about this. We did an overview video previously talking about it, and when it comes to cleaning and vacuums, I'm all about it. It's kind of like flashlights and knives. There's something about a trick, knife, flashlight, and vacuum that just really gets me going. So we reached out to Milwaukee, said, hey, can you send one of these over for us? And they did. Look at it. It says 2 times more suction. So this vacuum really sucks. This is the versatility part. You can wear it as a backpack. You can hang it off of a ladder hook, or you can carry it from its top handle. We'll go over that. And it's up to 3 times quieter. In the kit, you have the canister vac. It has a telescoping wand. It has a HEPA filter, dust extraction adapter, a crevice tool, floor tool, and a flexible hose. Because what would a vacuum be without a flexible hose? It says quieter operation for occupied spaces. So if you're doing house cleaning duties, let's just say you're not on a job site. Let's just say you do routine services like janitorial in an occupied office space. You could maybe not disturb the occupants even if you're working during business hours for them. It's really great. So it says it's rated at 76 decibels on the high settings. A canister vac, it says it's rated at 91, so it's significantly quieter. So it's got the POWERSTATE Brushless Motor. Of course, it has the red link technology. I don't know, maybe if the canister got too full and it was drawing too many amp rays, it would shut the vacuum off before it would kill it. It does have the red lithium battery pack technology. Every M18 battery should fit this fuel backpack. This is where it gets interesting. Specific technology for this tool. It has cyclonic technology. Powerful suction, long filter life, and that's because the cyclonic technology separates the debris. It makes it drop, and then the air is filtered out and then through the HEPA filter. Pretty cool. Easy, empty, bagless debris collection. Here's the specifications. It says air volume, 55 cubic feet per minute, sealed suction, 76-inch H2O lift. You could vac out water 76 inches from 76 inches. Air performance, 159 air watts. Is that like the air guitar? Like, what is that even? Air watts. That's like, they're talking way over my head here in Milwaukee. Like, what is that? Filter is HEPA. Capacity, 1 gallon. Canister is bagless. Don't have to worry about bags, cleaning out bags, reusing bags, buying bags. It's bagless. Weight, it's 15.3 pounds. This is our literature. And generally, I would be like, oh, let's just, let's put this aside. And I'm going to do that. But they also have here some printed materials, if you wanted to check them out. Shows the M12 and M18 lines. And also, they have a chance for you to enter and win maybe some Milwaukee swag or even a 10 to 15 piece combo kit. We did a video about this. Go check it out over here. We have our crevice tool. Look, it's embossed. It's molded in there. Milwaukee. Pretty cool. So there's no mistaking. Oh, is this my crevice tool? No, it's my crevice tool. You and your buddies get into an argument. It's your crevice tool. Same thing here, Milwaukee. The telescoping wand is not plastic. This is metal. And all you got to do is you push up on this column, and then it has a ratcheting adjustment. Pretty nice. Here's your flexible hose, and then we have the canister itself. And here's where the versatility comes in handy. It has a handle built into the top of the canister. This is some literature on how to attach and detach your M18 FUEL backpack vac. And also there's accessories that are available. They have what look to be hammer drill, grinder, and sander attachments, as well as some accessories that require the through adapter. These other accessories do not require that adapter. Pretty cool stuff. So I gotta tell you, from first impression, this thing is really robustly built. Now for clean out, all you would do is, it looks to be, you would pull out the canister, you pull out the cap, your HEPA filter comes out, you can pop this out, and then clean inside your canister. Let's just say you were in the middle of vacuuming duties. Okay, all you'd have to do is just get over, you would obviously want to be over a trash can. This would be full of debris. Pop this open, this clip, and the bottom would fall out. This is my other piece of advice. The way the cyclonic action happens with these type of vacuums is that the debris and air are sucked into this canister, okay? The cyclonic action happens, and that separates the debris from the air. Then once the debris is separated from the air goes through these pleats or these holes and up and out through the HEPA filter out and back into the atmosphere. Okay. Now, more frequent canister cleanings will keep the debris level lower in your canister and have less of a tendency for that debris to come up to the level of the holes, and less particulate will go through your HEPA filter. Okay, so that would mean that you'd have to do, over time, probably less cleaning of that HEPA filter and less replacement, saving you money. So you're going to want to clean your canister more frequently, in my opinion. Now, let's just say you didn't want to use this as a backpack vac. You wanted to use it as, just to carry it by its canister. You have the option down here to push down this button and then slide off your harness. Out swings a ladder hook, okay? For safety reasons, you would latch this strap around the ladder hook. If you had to do some vacuuming up high on a ladder, you have that option. Let's just say you just wanted to do some quick debris cleanup, you wanted to carry it behind you or closer to the ground for whatever reason, you have a pretty cool carry handle here. I gotta tell you, after getting this all unboxed, I'm excited to get this thing set up and actually use it. And if you're excited too, make sure you smash the like button. Also, you're gonna wanna get subscribed and tap the bell notification. Why? Because we publish videos daily. One of those upcoming videos is gonna be us assembling this and showing you how to use this 3-in-1 canister vac from Milwaukee. So tap that bell notification. Also, we do videos from time to time on emergency tool deals. You're gonna wanna allow all notifications because some of those emergency tool deals are for a limited time, just a matter of minutes. Never miss another tool deal ever again. With that, I wanna say, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Everybody, we'll see you on the next one when we set this thing up and use it. Oh yeah, by the way, if this was not the tool only and it was a kit, somewhere in that box would have been a charger and a battery. It comes with a 9-amp-hour battery and a quick charger, a rapid charger. I just figured I'd let you know. Also, if you're excited about this vacuum as much as I am, I thoughtfully put a link down below for Acme Tool. Go on over there and get your order in. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy, and you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, here, and maybe over here. See you later.